Yes, hello, good evening, Miss Jiska. How are you?
Good evening, Mister. I'm good.
Okay, yes, nice to see you again, this class, Miss Jiska. Yeah, actually, this evening, yeah, so we will learn about this, Miss Jiska. This is about, yeah, this is the preliminary English test. Preliminary English test. This is about reading comprehensions, uh, preliminary English test. Okay, this is some about we just read for a moment. We will have to learn about reading comprehensions. This is the people below our enjoy music. On the opposite page, there are descriptions of 8 places where people can have different musical experiences. Decide which place would be the most suitable for the following people. For question number 6 to 10, mark the correct letter A to H on your answer sheet. Answer sheet, lembar jawaban. Sheet is a lembar answer jawaban. Okay, this is about, yeah, I need you, Miss Jiska, to read this. Just reading the number 6, 7, and 8. Yes, please read, Miss Jiska. Yes.
You interest in classical music and wants to talk to professional musicians about their work. He'd, he'd like to find out more about classical instruments and actually play some music.
Yes. Okay, then number 7, please.
Will wants to learn to play some of his favorite band songs and to know how his favorite singers create their own special song. He'd
Okay, okay, please.
like to try out some different instruments.
Yes. Okay, yes, good. So, Will wants to learn to play some of his. Okay, please read this, Miss Jessica. This is
Favorite band,
favorite, fa favorite, favorite. Okay, please say it. Favorite.
favorite, favorites.
Yes, favorites. Yeah, favorites. Yeah, not favorite, but favorites. Yeah, favorites bands. Song and to know how his favorite singers create their own special sound. Okay, he would like to try out some different instruments. Okay, it's good. So, yes, then number 8, Miss Jiska. Number 8,
Okay.
yes.
Just love watching spectacular concerts with fantastic dancers and wants to feel some of the atmosphere of a big musical event. She she like to see performance by famous people she's heard about.
Yes. Yeah, so number 8 is jazz. Yeah, jazz loves watching spectacular concerts with fantastic dancers and wants to feel some of the atmosphere of a big musical event. Okay, atmosphere is a condition, same with the conditions. Yeah, of a big musical event. Okay, event you stay. Yeah. Event. What is the meaning of event, Miss Tiska, in Indonesian?
Uh, Acara ya,
Acara. Tetapi kalau nggak ada T-nya, but if there is no T here, so what is the meaning?
pernah.
Even, ever, pernah. Even,
Oh,
even,
iya.
nothing T. So what's the meaning? Bahkan, ya, even more, ya, even more, ya, bahkan lagi, ya, even more, even talk, meskipun. Itu pasti di belakangnya tidak ada huruf T. Ya, nothing T behind. Ya, behind the word. Okay. If you see, the meaning is acara, ya, event, hal, ya, berkaitan dengan hal, ya, atau waktu, ya. If I have event, ya, jika ada waktu, ada momen seperti itu. Okay. She would like to see performances by famous people she's heard about. Okay. What is the meaning of performances, Miss Siska? What is the meaning of performances?
Pertunjukan.
Yes, pertunjukan. Correct. Okay, yes. Performances. Pertunjukan. Okay, that's good. So continue. Then number 9, Miss Siska. Number
Okay.
9.
James likes exploring the personal backgrounds of his favorite bands and also the stories behind their well-known songs. He has his own band and wants some advice from performing live on stage.
Yes, good. Then number 10, please.
Zoo, like, Zoo likes listening to all sorts of pop music and wants a fun way to learn various dance styles. She'd like to bring something home to show her friends what she's learned during her visit.
Yes. Okay, good. Ya, styles. Ya, kalau ada S-nya, bacanya S-nya berdesis. Ya, S-nya itu tipis, berdesis. Ya, sehingga bukan styleless, tetapi styles. Styles. Ya, styles. Ya. Tetap bacanya styles, tetapi ada S. S itu berdesis. Ya, styles. Rules. Ya, bacanya bukan rules, tapi rules. Rules. Ya, seperti itu. Jadi S-nya itu berdesis. Yes. Nah, ini sudah bagus ya. She would like to bring something home. Ya, to show her friends what she's learned during her visits. Yeah, this is learned UST because what is the meaning learns of this? Is this good? What's the meaning? Past tense. Yeah, learned, learned. Yeah, okay. Past tense. What she learns? Apa yang telah dia pelajari? Yeah. Because apa yang telah dia pelajari. That's the meaning. Learned. Ada T-nya. Past tense. During her visit, selama kunjungannya. Okay. Please translate, Miss Diska. So like listening to all sort of pop music. Okay, what's the meaning? Is
Zoo menyukai suka mendengarkan
good.
semua macam dari musik pop dan
Yes.
mau bersenang-senang ya, hal fun once of fun way. Ingin senang untuk senang untuk mendengarkan macam-macam
To learn various,
dan serius belajar learn belajar
bermacam-macam. That's correct.
macam-macam
Yes.
apa style itu bukan bentuk apa ya
Gaya.
ya gaya dari menari.
Yes. Yeah. Once Ya, once a fun way to learn various dance styles. Ya, fun way menginginkan fun way, cara yang keren, ya, cara yang menyenangkan, ya, to learn various, ya, untuk mempelajari various dance styles, ya, mempelajari bermacam-macam gaya
Gaya.
dansa atau menari, ya, gaya menari. Oke, good. Yeah. So the last, please. She would like to bring something home. Okay, please translate, Miss
Dia
Diska.
suka membawa sesuatu ke rumah
She would like.
untuk
She would like itu kalau disingkat seperti ini would. Belakangnya d. W U sorry WOULD. Ya, would. Would. Ya, kalau disingkat seperti ini. Ya, she would like artinya dia bermaksud. Ya, she would like bermaksud. Ya, I would like to help you. Saya bermaksud membantu Anda. Kalau she would like berarti dia bermaksud to bring something home. What's the meaning?
dia bermaksud membawa sesuatu ke rumah ya, untuk memamerkan ke teman-temannya apa yang dia pelajarin selama dia ke sana, apa sih, ke visit, selama dia datang ke sana gitu.
Berkunjung.
Dia berkunjung.
Yes. Apa yang telah dia pelajari selama dia berkunjung. Yes, that's good. Yeah, excellent. Ya, jadi untuk memamerkan atau menunjukkan. Yes, excellent. Yeah, Miss Diska, that's good. Yeah, actually, we also will learn about some grammars as well. But this is Mr. Rifa won't join the class, so okay, no problem. You will have friend. His name is Mr. Rifa from Medan. So our last friend actually that we were learning few months ago, but he lost away. Probably he busy this time, so he appeared again now. Yes, hello, good evening. Also, still setting up the speaker, Mr. Rifa. Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Rifa. How are you?
Good evening. I'm okay.
Yes, long time. I don't see you, Mr. Rifa.
Yeah, because I was so busy.
Okay, Mr. Rifa. Okay, are you from Medan, Mr. Rifa?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, yes, from Medan. So, could you tell us what's the Medan favorite food, Mr. Rifa? What's Medan favorite food?
Oh, how can I tell you?
Yes,
Favorite food from Medan.
yes,
Yeah, still, I myself, if I go for culinary, I just for bakso. Yeah,
yes.
ayam penyet.
Okay. Oh, that's the favorite foods from Medan as well.
Yeah, Medan.
Okay, like meatballs. Yes. Okay, bakso, meatball, bakso, and sorry, ayam penyet. So that's like fried chickens like that. Yeah,
Yes, of course. Yeah.
fried chickens, yeah, and mixed by the chili. So
Yeah.
it's called ayam penyet. And that's also popular in Bogor, I think. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Miss Diska, does Bogor also have ayam penyet, Miss Diska?
Yes, Bogor
Also has ayam penyet. Yes, yes, Bogor. Yeah.
So only 2% the participants.
Yes, for this
Yeah.
evening. Yes, some of them already joined for the afternoon class, Mr. Rifa.
This guy is from Bogor.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm from Bogor.
Yeah.
So,
So what is the topic?
yes, we learn about this reading comprehension, Mr. Rifa. Yeah, especially for this
Oh,
evening.
reading.
Yes, reading comprehension.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
Because, yes, that's important as well. Because some of people, they understand English, but sometimes they get difficult when they read any words or sentences in English like that. Yeah, so that's important, yeah, to improve our English by reading, yeah, by reading comprehensions. Yeah, so that's good.
Okay. Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Rifa. Yes.
Nice.
Okay, I need to know how old are you, Mr. Rifa, because we don't know how old are you like that.
I'm 30 years old, 33 years old.
33 years old, so that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. And Miss Diska still 19 years old. You 33 years old.
Oh,
Yeah,
19
that's
years old.
excellent. That's good. Yeah.
Are you
Actually,
are you still
yeah,
this guy?
please.
This guy is still a student, right?
Yeah, I'm student.
Yeah.
Still students. Yeah, Miss
Okay,
Diska.
go on, Mr. How you
Okay.
call you, Mr.
I am Mustafa. My
I
name
forgot.
is Mustafa. Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes,
You
please go on.
joined, yeah, a few months ago. You already joined the class with Mr. Rosie. Yeah, Mr. Rosie. Yeah, he is learning English in Pare, yeah, East Java, Pare Kediri, in English Village, yeah, Kampung Inggris, Kampung English, yeah, English Village, yeah, Pare. Mr. Riva, yeah, has the gap longer, the longer gaps, yeah, because yeah, Mr. Riva was busy. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we continue the
Okay.
learning, Mr. Riva. Let's join to the class.
I got
Welcome to the
it.
class, Mr. Riva. Yes, this is the musical experiences. Okay, I need Miss Diska to read A. Yeah, this is just reading to improve our English, Mr. Riva, by reading. Miss Diska, please read this, Miss Diska. The core. Yes.
The core. This is the place for musical history. You'll learn where your favorite singers and musicians grew, grew up and discover the process involved in writing famous songs and producing the video. Find out about their journey to fame and get some tips on what makes a good concert. There's all you ever want to know about famous musician.
Yes, that's good. Yeah, that's good, Miss Diska. Yeah. Find out. Yeah. Or you can also read find out. Find out. Yeah. Find out about the journey to fame. Okay, that's good. Then musical history. Yes, that's good, Miss Diska. This is from musical become musician. Musician grew up. Yeah. Grew up in past tense became grew up. Yeah.
Mm,
Grew up. Yeah, this is past tense. And discover the processes of involved in writing song and producing the videos. Yeah, producing the videos. Okay. Because some people also read this producing. Yeah. This is produce. Yeah. Produce. Yeah. If you find D, then find U, you can read like a J. Yeah. J. Yeah. Produce. Yeah. Producing. Yeah. Produce.
producing.
Yeah. Not producing, but producing. Producing like J. Yeah. J. Producing. Yeah. Teach like J as well. Teach you know him, not did you know, but teach. Did you know him? Like J, producing. Okay, it's good. And can you tell us, Miss Tiska, what past tense here? What's past tense of work here? Can you tell
Mm,
us? Okay, past tense.
involved,
Inform.
involved,
Okay, inform. Okay, and then
uh, and want, wanted.
wanted. Okay, wanted. That's good. Then after that, Miss Tiska,
Mm,
tumbuh,
grew,
Miss Tiska.
grew up.
Grew ups. Okay, grew ups. Okay, that's the past tense that Miss Tiska, yeah, Miss Tiska said already. Okay, and Mr. Riva, Miss
Yeah.
Tiska already said, yeah, already mentions three past tense here, yeah, three past tense of verb here. And there are involved, then wanted, then grew ups. Okay, Mr. Riva, can you make example the sentence from grew ups? Can make sentence, sorry, Mr. Riva? Can you make a sentence from grew up? Grew ups. Yes, yes.
What is grew up? Yeah, grew up.
Yes.
I grew up in Medan.
Yes, I grew up in Medan. Ya, saya telah tumbuh di Medan. Okay. Okay, for example, Mr. Riva said, that's correct, Mr. Riva. For example, Mr. Riva says, yeah, I am 33 years old and I grew up in Medan. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so the meaning that Mr. Riva grew up in Medan. Ya, besar di Medan. Okay, excellent, Mr. Riva. Okay. I'm living in Jakarta, yeah, but I grew up in Medan. That's excellent. That's the meaning from the grew ups. Yeah. Then involve, Mr. Riva. Involve. Can you make a sentence, Mr. Riva?
Involved.
Yes,
Oh,
from involve.
involved.
Yes.
What would you say? Involved. The process involved in writing. Okay. Uh, the reading involved vocabulary and grammar mastery.
Yes, that's good. Yeah, the reading involve. Yeah, the reading involve. Sorry, the reading involve
vocabulary,
vocabulary
vocabulary, and
and grammar mystery.
grammar
Yes, mastery.
mastery.
Okay. The reading involves, yeah, vocabulary and grammar mastery. Okay. Okay, and grammar mastery. Okay, grammar mastery. Okay.
Mastery.
Yes. Miss Tiska, the reading involves vocabulary, then grammar mastery. Okay, do you understand what's the meaning, Miss Tiska?
I understood, sir.
Understood, yes. Involve. Yeah, involve the meaning is intervenes. In the meaning is intervene. That's involve. Diikut sertakan, ya, tercampur. Intervene, terhubung, tercampur, atau ikut campur. Itu adalah involve. Okay, that's good, Miss Giska. So if you understood, and this is Mr. Yeah, this was Mr. Riva example. That was good. And once again, yeah, involved, then wanted. Miss Tiska, can you please make a sentence by the words of wanted?
Mm,
Yes.
I wanted to college, uh, be, but I can because the 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 pandemic.
I could. Past tense can become could. Yeah. I could not. Yeah, I could. I couldn't. I couldn't. Yeah. I could.
I could I could not
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, because the pandemic.
Yes. I wanted, yeah, to study, yeah, at the campus. Yeah. But I couldn't. Yeah, I could not. Yeah, I couldn't.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Because the pandemic. Okay, that's good. Yeah, wanted. Wanted. Yeah, that's also wanted. Yeah, this is the past tense. Yeah, she wanted. Yeah, what? And you want it. Yeah, Anda menginginkan. You want it. What you want it. Yeah. Okay. And sometimes want it also the meaning for people who actually the targets like already became the actually already become the targets. Okay, that's also wanted. Yeah. In Indonesian, what's the meaning in Indonesian? Daftar pencarian orang. Yeah. Also wanted. Okay, actually, have you found, Miss Tiska? Have you found in the public places like people to be the targets? So they put the target snapshot, the target photos, and then has the sentence or has the words wanted like this. Have you found anyway, Miss Tiska? Have you ever found?
Uh, I even fun but use Indonesia.
Indonesian. Yes, this
Yeah.
Indonesian language. Okay, that's good. Wanted. Ya, wanted diinginkan atau dicari. Okay, that's good. Yeah, but wanted this is want or wish ya harapan, but in the past tense. Okay, is this guy already good? Already correct. Yeah. I wanted to study in the college, but I couldn't because the pandemics. Okay, excellent, Mr. Ska. Okay, so continue. Let's continue. This is the rhythm of studio. Rhythm of studio. Mr. Rifa, can you please read B, the parts of B here, Mr. Rifa?
Yeah. Be Rhythm Studio.
Yes.
Get your body moving in the studio and learn to move to rhythms and sounds from the past to now, including soul and disco. Learn your steps from our professional on-screen dance instructor. Then watch your performance and become the star in your own video recording, which you can take away.
Yes, good. Mr. Rifa has good reading. Yes. Okay, thank
Yeah,
you, Mr. Rifa.
thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, Miss Tiska, from Mr. Rifa reading, actually, did you get something from this? Did you get something, Miss Tiska, from Mr. Rifa reading? Did you get any vocabulary or yeah verbs like that
Mm, yang on screen.
on screen? Okay, what's that on screen? Okay, learn your step from our professional on-screen dance instructor. Okay, on screen. Okay, on screen. Okay, then after that, Miss Jiska,
Mm, I think just one, Mister.
just one. Okay, okay. What's the meaning of this, Miss Jiska? Actually, learn your step from our professional on-screen dance instructor. What's the meaning?
Uh, belajar.
And you can explain in English. Yeah, you can explain in English. Yeah, you can explaining in English. So, what's the meaning of on screen? Yeah, on screen dance instructor. So, is that online or by face to face like that?
Hmm, face to face ya?
On screen. You know, screen is this kind
Yeah.
screening like this.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, on screen. What is the meaning of screen actually in Indonesian, Miss Tiska? Screen,
Screen layar ya.
layar. Okay. So on screen. So what's its meaning actually? Learn your step from our professional on-screen dance instructor. Okay. So what's the meaning? So is that learned by face to face or online like that, or gathering berkumpul? Okay. Is this online learning, Miss Tiska?
Learning
Oh,
stuff.
okay.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Riva, actually, what's the meaning of on screen? Actually, Mr. Riva.
Yeah, on screen it means looking something from the screen like this one, Zoom.
Okay.
Mm, yeah.
Yes.
So the instructor are giving maybe ways of dance, but on screen, yeah,
Yes. Yes. Correct.
online, and I mean on screen like on TV or yeah, or maybe like this live
Yes.
conference maybe, yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Also, can be like that. Yeah, by media. Yeah. So that's on
Yeah,
screen. By the media, like learning from Zooms or learning from the videos, yeah, from TV, like that. So that's the meaning of on screen. Okay. Then watch your performance and become the star in your own video recording. So we must recording our video, our activity.
yeah, good.
Yes. Then we be the star, be the star in our own video. Yes. Yeah. Which you can take away. Yeah. Which you can take away. Okay. So do you understand, Ms. Diska? Yeah, this is then what's your performance and become the star in your own video recording, which you can take away. Yeah, do you understand actually? That's meaning.
Yeah, understood. Sir.
Yes, understood. Yeah. Okay, so you must recording, yeah, your performance. Yeah. Okay. Then you can take away. Okay. So dilakukan jarak jauh. Take away. Okay, so by online or yeah, something like that, like Mr. Riva said anyway. Okay. So that was good, Mr. Riva and also Miss Tiska. Then this is C, Miss Tiska. I need you to read C, Miss Tiska. Well skins, Miss Tiska.
Okay. For sin, for 1 month only, experience the amazing sights and sounds of the world scene band, a large international group of traditional musicians and dancers. You'll experience music and dancer styles never never heard on or seen before in this country. Book a ticket to meet the musician, talk about their experiences, and get some new ideas.
Yes, that's good. Okay, I will ask to Mr. Riva. Mr. Riva, what did you get in this parts, Mr. Riva? Well skin, actually.
What in
Yes,
one
what
only
is
experience the music sight and sounds of the band, and large international group traditional musicians. Yeah, maybe this one is something like what? Uh, how do you call it?
yeah.
For 1 month only, experience the amazing sights and sounds of the World Sense Band, a large international group. So it's World Sense is a large international groups of traditional musicians and dancers.
Yes, it's international. Yeah, this is Wolfskin. Okay.
Yeah.
And also, Miss Jiska, what did you get from this, Miss Jiska? Wolfskin.
Mm,
Yeah, in your opinion, what is your opinion actually, Miss Jiska, for this? This is for 1 month only. Experience the amazing sight and sound
yeah.
of the Wolfskin bands. Yeah.
She sold some ticket to feel experience
Yeah.
the amazing sight and sound of the world scene band.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think
Is that like Justin Bieber, Miss Jiska, or Ariana Grande? This is.
mm, no, like even a large inter international group of traditional musicians and dancers.
Oh, traditionals. Okay, not yes, not modern, but this is traditional musician and dancers. Okay, so you will experience music and dance styles never heard and seen before in this country. Okay, this is so actually something special. Yeah, this is traditional musician and dancers. Okay, traditional musician. Yeah, for example, from Indonesia, like from Java, Mr. Rifa, do you know traditional music from Java, Mr. Rifa? You know?
Java.
Yes.
Angklung, is that from
Yes,
Java?
correct. Yes, angklung. Yes, that's correct. Angklung originally from Java. Yeah, angklung. Then, yeah, what else, Miss Siska? What else? Apalagi, what else?
Kecapi,
Kecapi. Angklung
As
same. Is same or not with kecapi? Kecapi. And then, the big sounds, uh, gong or gamelan.
yeah, gamelan, yeah.
Yeah, gamelans. Also from Java. Yeah,
Yes.
gamelan. Yeah, that's from originally from the kingdom of Solo. The kingdom of Solo. Yeah, that's the original of Mr. Jokowi. Mr. Jokowi originally from Solo. Solo has the kingdom. Do you know kingdom, Miss Tiska?
yeah, I know.
Yes,
Kingdom.
kingdom. Yes, kingdom. Yeah, from the kingdom of Solo, and has also the traditional music. There's gamelan, gamelan, something like that. Okay, so this is something special. This is traditional musician and dancers. Okay, tari solo and then solo dance, also the traditional solo dance, and also Sumatra also has, yeah, Sumatra dance. So yeah, actually, I want to ask more to Mr. Rifa because I don't know about Medan. I don't know a lot about Medan. Mr. Rifa, actually, what's the traditional dance in Medan? From Medan, especially the traditional dance.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
Yes.
I don't know a lot of, about the traditional music and dance in Medan because I focus on the modern music and
Oh, okay.
modern dance.
Modern music and modern dance. Okay.
uh,
Okay. Yes. Because yeah, we are living in the modern, yeah, modern
modern.
periods, yeah, modern
We,
era.
we're not we are not focusing on traditional things.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we are because we're living in the city. So talking about traditional music, traditional dance, we we ignore them.
Okay. 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 And also, Miss Tiska, are you also ignoring about the traditional music? Are you also, Miss Tiska?
Sorry,
Yes.
Misal.
Yeah, Miss Tiska, are you also ignoring the traditional music? Ignore.
No.
Yes. Actually, don't think about traditional music like that. So you just receive for the modern music or
Yeah.
modern styles. Okay.
Yeah. I think also
Okay.
ignore.
Okay. Yeah, some of people. And what is your actually your favorite music, Miss Tiska? What is your favorite?
Mm, Random, but uh, I always listening apa, Western music
Western. Western music. Okay. Okay. Then
and K-pop.
pop. So what's that? K-pop. Korean.
Yeah, Koreans,
Korean pop.
Korean music.
Okay. Korean pops. Okay. So that's also popular. Yeah, Koreans. Yeah, most of Indonesian people or almost yeah Indonesian people they more enjoying listening hip hops because like virals or something like that probably like a virals yeah or yeah something popular yeah from Korea something popular. Okay, so what kind of the Mistiska? What kind of K-pop do you like? What's the name?
Um,
Yes.
mm, apa ya?
Do you have the name?
Mm, NCT.
NCT. Okay. Yes, NCT. What's the meaning of NCT?
Uh, NCT is Neo Culture Technology.
Mm,
Uh, yeah, their name group. See, they have 23 members, but it is not all one group. Uh, there there are have unit, so 23 is not one group but unit.
okay, 23. They have the 23
Mm,
members.
but
Okay,
it's not one group. Uh,
not one group, but unity.
yeah, unit.
Unity. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's the name. Okay, that's from Korea, Miss Siska. Is that from Korea? Okay. And Mr. Riva, what's your favorite music actually, Mr. Riva?
Favorite music?
Yes, sir.
Mm, pop,
Pop music.
pop music.
Okay. Okay, some of people also they more enjoying pop music. Okay, and Miss Tiska enjoys for the Western music and also Korean pop. Yeah, because yeah, Miss Tiska has the fan. Yeah, has the fan from Korea like that. Okay, okay, and also Mr. Riva yeah, has the yeah more enjoying about pop music, modern music. Okay, so this is yeah. If we explain this yeah for 1 month only, this is about promotion or not, Mrs. Actually for 1 month only
Yeah,
experience.
I promotion.
promotions. Okay, that's good. Yeah, because sometimes we have like this, yeah, for 1 month only. Yeah, so this is will, sorry, extract. Yeah, will extracting, menarik, yes, extracting. Actually, tag people. Yeah, tag people to this. Yeah, will extracting people. Yeah, will interest to the people like that. Yeah, for one only, experience the amazing sight and sound of the world's can band, large international group, traditional musicians and dancer. Okay, so this is about, sorry, Miss Tiska, about the promotion, right? This is the world skin. What is the meaning of world skin actually, Miss Tiska?
Hmm. Skin.
Yes,
Skin itu
see, skin, see, skin, scan, scanning.
scan
Sorry,
apa ya?
scan. So, for example, if you, this is the skin. The skin is C, like that, C, skin.
Eh, eh, Skin itu bisa semacam stage, nggak bisa.
Skin, C. Can you see? Yeah, this is the skin. Yeah, skin. Uh, sorry, if you see something, that's a skin. Yeah.
Pemandangan.
Yes, pemandangan. Yes, that's correct. For 1 month only, experience the amazing sight and sound of the world skin band. Yeah, pemandangan. This is the international stars like that. Yeah, this is the international star or something special. This is the international star. Yeah, a large international group of traditional musicians and dancers. Okay, this is the traditional musician and dancers. For example, the angklung from Java. Yeah, it's so in Japan's. Yeah, so this is the actually the world skin. Yeah, because Japan, yes, Japan doesn't have angklung. It is good. Is that correct, Mr. Scott?
Yes, correct, Mr.
Yes. Yeah. So this is special. Okay. You will experience music and dance styles never heard or seen. Yeah, never heard. What is the meaning? Never heard.
Tidak pernah mendengar,
Yes, tidak pernah terdengar.
terdengar.
Kalau mendengar apa bahasa Inggrisnya, Mas Siska?
Heard.
Hear.
Nggak pakai.
Hear.
Hear.
Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hearing me? Can you hear me? Ya. Kalau can hear aja. Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? Yes, I can hear your voice. Are you hearing me? Apa kamu sedang mendengarkan saya? Yes, I am. Yes, I'm hearing you. Oke, berarti heard ini terdengar. Belum pernah terdengar or seen. What is the meaning? Seen. Seen, Miss Jessica.
Seen terlihat.
Terlihat.
Melihat.
Terlihat, yes. Terlihat. Before in this country. Ya, terlihat before in this country. Book a ticket to meet the musicians, talk about their experiences, and get some new ideas. Get some new ideas. So this is about the promotion. This is well skin. Yeah, well skin. Okay. Sorry, well skin is the panorama. Panorama. Yes, the panorama of the skin. Ya, pemandangan dunia, because never heard or seen before in this country. Yeah, for example, the Japan's traditional musics or Japan's traditional dance. Yeah. So we never heard and never seen before. Yeah, because that's special. Yeah, so we'll see. well skin. Yeah, that's the meaning. Okay, that's already good, Miss Jiska, and that's the reminded. Oh, Mr. Rifa actually lost the connection, and Mr. Rifa already made some of words as well. Yeah, that's grow up, involved. Yeah, and Miss Jiska already made the wanted, so that's good. And I need to refer back. Yeah, refer merujuk. Ya. Refer back, merujuk kembali. I need to refer back or review. Refer back same with the review. Merujuk kembali, melihat kembali. Yeah, about this. Yeah, I'm already good, Miss Diska. You're reading. Yeah, this is Will Skin Band. Okay, Will Skin Band. Okay, good. Dancers, yeah, already good. Yeah, and you need to improve when you read produce. Yeah, not producing but producing. Yeah, producing. Yeah, this is producing, not producing but producing like
Producing.
J. Yes. If you read D like J, produce, not produce but produce. Introduce, not introduce but introduce. Please introduce yourself. Okay, Ms. Diska, so I think this learning for this evening is enough. Yeah, because I already got the value from this, already got the rating. So I will see you again tomorrow, Ms. Diska.
Okay, Mr.
Yes, have a nice evening. Thank you.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
Mr.
Yes, you're welcome. Good night. Bye.